Hello guys, welcome back to Little Prep. So today we are looking at this Olympiad maths problem. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more tricky questions together every day. Thank you for doing that. Now let's focus on the question. So we are having 8 exponents root x, that is 8 exponent negative root x is equal to root of 49 on 196. Okay, so with this we can say that this 8 is the same as 2 exponent 3. Okay, all into brackets exponent negative root x, which is equal to, and then this we can rewrite it as root 49 on root 196 like this. Okay, and then with this you can say that is the same as 2 exponent negative 3 on root x. 2 exponent negative 3 root x, which is equal to root of 49 is 7 on root of 196, which is 14. Okay, so this say that 2 exponent negative 3 root x is equal to 14. 7 goes into itself 1, it goes to 14 2 times. Okay, and don't forget these two, yeah, when you have a 1 on a, we can rewrite it as a exponent negative 1. So you say that 2 exponent negative 3 root x is equal to this. We can write it as 2 exponent negative 1. Now the bases are the same. Okay, so we equate the exponents. In this case, we say that negative 3 root x is equal to negative 1. Okay, so we have 3 root x is equal to 1. Okay, we square both sides. So square both sides, or we can still divide both sides by 3. So this 3 will cancel this. We are having root x is equal to 1/3. Now we square both sides. This cancel the square root. So we have x is equal to now 1 on 3 all squared. And this 1 on 3 all squared is the same as s is equal to 1 on 9. Okay, so this is our answer for the expression. Please, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Bye bye.